Hey everyone, meet the LogsFlippin fire poker, the ultimate heavy-duty steel tool for every single fire pit. This American-made design features a clip that adjusts from 38 to 68 inches. The durable powder-coated steel shaft has no moving parts or springs that can warp from intense heat. You can easily pull, push, lift, and flip heavy logs or hot coals with a versatile flipper head. It replaces your entire fireplace set and works perfectly for backyard bonfires, indoor hearths, or remote camping trips. Use it to scoop ash or reposition wood to keep your fire burning bright all through the night. Upgrade your outdoor experience today with this rugged all-in-one tool that is truly built to last. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.